welcome to the morning bulletin. This is Amina and you're watching HW News English. Now it's time to dive into the top stories of the morning. Trump has once again indirectly hit India over its oil purchases from Russia. While talking about Russia, Trump said that US tariffs on India have delivered a big blow to the Russian economy. This comes ahead of Trump's meeting with Russian President Putin next week in Alaska. Trump claimed that the Russian economy is disturbed because of trade duties and global pressures. Here he was directly pointing at India as he has imposed a 25% reciprocal tariff plus an additional 25% levy on India on its purchases of Russian oil. India strongly condemned the tariff hike, calling it unfair, unjustified and unreasonable. Amid the global tariff war, Trump has extended its trade truce with China for another 90 days. This is till November 10. China's Commerce Ministry also said it would suspend additional tariffs on US goods for 90 more days. The tariff truce between China and the US was set to end today. This comes after the latest rounds of negotiations between US and Chinese trade officials. The United States has officially declared the Balochistan Liberation Army or the BLA as a foreign terrorist organization. They have also added the Majid Brigade, which is an ally of BLA. All this comes amid Asim Munir's double visits to the US, where he met President Trump over lunch and other US officials. BLA is an organization in Pakistan which is fighting for the liberation of Balochistan from Pakistan. In recent times, BLA was behind many attacks in Pakistan, including the hijacking of Jafar Express train. Well, that's all for the morning bulletin. Till then, keep watching HW News English.